Leaking top insider stock trades every day until they stop us, November 11th. It was another very bullish day in insider trading land with 199 new insider trades that came in. And of the unscheduled insider trades, over 50% of them were insider buys, which is well above the median of 33%. The CEO at Lattice Semiconductor bought $1.89 million of the stock. This is their largest purchase ever out of 5 previous purchases and the first insider purchase by any insider at Lattice Semiconductor in over 2 years. The CEO has never made a purchase at Lattice Semiconductor yet. They've only been CEO for about a year, but their previous purchases at other companies had very good returns. They averaged 31% 6-month returns and over 60% 1-year returns. Unlike most of the insider buying we see, the stock is not down a ton. It is down about 18% in the last month after poor earnings, but still up over 11% in the last year. It's also trading right around its average 5-year EV sales multiple, even with a pretty good quarter where they had their fastest revenue growth in over 4 years. On top of that, their communications and computing arm, which is their data center arm, is growing super fast with over 21% year-over-year growth, and it's now making up 55% of their total revenue. Their revenue guidance was also the largest increase in the last 2 years. Plus, this growth in that communications and computing segment is giving management confidence that the next couple of years are going to look really good for them. This is also an interesting play because there just isn't many insider purchases at semiconductor or AI related companies. Really, we just got the CEO here buying, and then we had the CEO at Marvell Technologies also buying a couple weeks ago. However, we do want to avoid catching the falling knife here, so we'd like to see the price recover a little bit and get above that 50-day moving average, or maybe if it fell even more and touched the 200-day, it might be worth a stab there. Next up, we have a company I'm less interested in, but maybe you guys can convince me why it's more interesting, and that is Matador Resources, which has been the most bought company by insiders in the last 3 months, with 15 different insiders buying the stock, and the insider buying is continuing. Now, the stock chart is abysmal, with the stock down over 25% in the last year and trading well below all of its moving averages. However, the company looks quite cheap, trading well below the industry EV/EBITDA multiple and below its own 5-year average. However, this could potentially be justified as their earnings per share estimates have been decreasing. On top of that, they increased their dividend from $1.25 to $1.50 and repurchased 1.3 million shares. So everything from the insider trading and management perspective here signifies a lot of confidence from management in the macro environment turning around and this company turning around. However, the price action has been a disaster and the company has just been struggling for years on end. Even with previous insider buying, the company never really recovered. The one caveat here is there was a group insider buying back in May as well, and the stock did go up 25% in the next few months, but then it fell all the way back down and is now at a trading about the same price. But we are again seeing a ton of insider buying, so maybe things will start to turn around. Find all the top insider trades at CEOWatcher.com.